everyone in food M&A fixates on financials, market share, and synergies. But what they're missing is the real danger. The biggest threat isn't valuation, it's hidden compliance risks that can wipe out your investment overnight. So, M&A in the food industry seems simple until compliance issues explode mid-transaction. That's when companies realize just how complicated food regulations really are. So, let's say you're acquiring a food company. You're deep into negotiations. Due diligence is wrapping up. Suddenly, compliance red flags appear. Maybe their products contain unapproved ingredients. Maybe they have a history of misleading health claims, or they have an undisclosed FDA warning letter buried in company files. Now what? Some executives make the worst possible decision. Push forward, deal with the mess later. Huge mistake. Huge. Regulators, they don't care about your deal timeline. The FDA, USDA, and FTC can and will launch investigations. They'll issue recalls or they will enforce penalties, even post close. And if you don't account for this risk, your company just bought a multi-million dollar liability. If you want to know more about this, subscribe to the DarshanTalks podcast for more insights on regulatory pitfalls in M&A. Now, many firms assume that their internal legal team can handle compliance due diligence, but food regulations aren't just about reading a checklist. The FDA governs labeling and safety, the USDA steps in for more meat and poultry, and state attorney generals may get involved for consumer protection issues. Again, there's the FTC that might do that as well. It's a tangled web that demands deep regulatory expertise. Now, I'm curious, what's the worst compliance risk you've seen in an M&A deal? Drop your experiences in the comments. And that's where the Kulkarni Law Firm comes in. We work to unentangle regulatory problems before they become deal breakers. Here's how we help buyers. We help conduct regulatory due diligence. We engage with the FDA, USDA, and state regulators. We assess liability risks in advertising and labeling claims. We negotiate compliance-driven transaction structures. Don't let an unexpected compliance issue derail your M&A transaction. Reach out to us now at the Kulkarni Law Firm. Call, click, or email